Hello. This is the update for Thursday, the 2nd of September, 2021. So there was 5 dividend payments today, 3 ordinary dividends, 1 return of capital, and 1 bonus dividend. So these two. So that's the ordinary, 7.5 pence, and then the bonus was for 9.78 pence per share. And as well, actually, before I get started on these, last week, I think it was, I made a video of my worst positions because there was no dividends one of the days, and Navios Maritime acquisition was my worst position. It was like 32% down and had a 10% dividend yield, and now I think I was up here and I bought it, and after putting in another like euro or €2, I'm now 21% up, which is a good time. So hopefully they survive for the long run. And now this has brought their dividend yield down to a much more reasonable 5%. I think they pay a dividend every quarter. But yeah, it went from like 32% in the red down here. And I don't know what happened, but it's absolutely shot up. Yeah, like 83% in the last week. So I don't know what that's about. If I was a trader, I would sell. Definitely get my money out with a nice 20% on top of it, but all I'm really concerned about is the long-term survival and the dividend. I wonder what that is. Thursday the 26th of August. Nearly doubled. And it's on an upward trend since, so maybe they got some good news. Anyway, number 1 today is Diverse Income Trust. Ticker symbol is DIVI. So it's based in the UK. It's trading for about £1.20 per share. It's a closed-end investment fund in the miscellaneous financial services industry. Has a dividend yield of 3.18%. And today I received an ordinary dividend of 0.9 pence per share. And I think they pay twice a year. Oh, quarterly. Nice. And also that dividend I received, I had marked on that Excel sheet that they pay 1 pence per share, but this was the first dividend now that I've received off them, so I must have gotten that figure from a website or something. But it's 0.9 pence as of today. Number 2, Shaw Communications. Ticker symbol is SJR. So it's a Canadian company, but it's on the New York Stock Exchange. It's currently trading for about nearly $30 per share. And it's a diversified connectivity provider in the broadcasting and cable TV industry. Based in Calgary in Canada. Has a dividend yield of 3.27%. It pays a dividend every month. But today it was a return of capital of 6 cents per share. And I think the monthly dividend is similar to that. Shaw. Yeah, it pays 7 cents per share per month. But today was a return of capital of 6 cents. Next we have the Foresight Solar Fund Ltd. Ticker symbol is FSFL. So, the stock is in Jersey. It's on the London Stock Exchange, trading for about £1 per share. So it's a closed-end investment company in the miscellaneous financial services industry. The company's investment objective is to provide investors with a quarterly dividend and capital value through investment in ground-based solar assets predominantly located in the United Kingdom. Mean holding companies and underlying project vehicles, special purpose vehicles. Okay. Right. Solar power. I actually have to add this then into another video I'm going to make soon as well as my the renewable energy stocks. So either ones that are completely based on solar power or renewable energy, or ones that are just included in their business model. So dividend yield is 6.85%, pays a quarterly dividend. And today was my first one I've received. It was for 1.7 pence per share. Currently trading at about £1 per share. That's quite a nice dividend. Next is Bloomsbury Publishing. So ticker symbol is BMY. It's on the London Stock Exchange. It's trading for about £3.59 per share. It's a global publisher, so it's in the printing and publishing industry. Dividend yield of 2.58%. And today I received an ordinary dividend of 7.5 pence per share. And I received a bonus dividend of 9.7 pence per share. But both of them were the first ones I received from Bloomsbury Publishing. And I think they are also semi-annual. Yeah, they pay twice a year. So that's it for the payments. And I have €1.12 to invest. I think I might put it into GN Store Nord again. 16% down, and at the moment there's €1 in it. Another euro in the queue. Yeah, may as well. 16% is quite a nice discount. So GN Store Nord, ticker symbol is GNNDY. It's trading for about $239 per share. Very volatile looking stock. Yeah, it bounces all over the place. But it did only get added to this platform on the 9th of November of 2020. So it hasn't been on for very long. If you want like full histories of stocks, you're better off Googling them or looking them up on Yahoo Finance. Because in the beginning I thought that this was the full graph of this stock. And then when I think it was Coca-Cola that I went onto, and it only had the last few years. And I was thinking Coca-Cola started like, it was 100 years ago. Long time ago. I think they joined the stock market in the 80s or the 70s. It's for like $1 per share. Anyway, GN Store Nord is engaged in offering audio solutions. So it's focused on human auditory system, sound and speech, wireless technologies, and software development, linking insight and knowledge from both the hearing aid and the headset industries. So it's in the medical equipment and supplies industry of the healthcare sector. The company itself is based in Denmark. Has a pretty low dividend of 0.3%. And I think it pays a dividend. Usually European stocks will pay once a year. I don't actually have details of how often it pays a dividend. So it could be a while before I get one. Well, that's it for today. Wasn't too bad at all. 5 payments. And I also found out today that there's no withholding tax on UK stocks, on UK dividends. So I made another little video on that earlier if you want to have a look at that. Anyone who invests in dividend stocks in the UK. everything except real estate investment trusts. They don't have to pay a withholding tax. Well, that's it for today, and I hope you found this useful.